So now we are starting what? Seizing the roles, right? Seizing the roles. Now see, come here. Let me bring that server up because I offed that server, right? So now no need of this Yaoundé DC3. I'm just removing it. Yaoundé DC1. So what I'm going to do, remember that I have taken the snapshot. So this is the benefit of a snapshot. So now this lab is what? How to seize roles on or from ADC, right? Because when the DC is down. Here also let's back with the snapshot. So now we are as a normal. Who is domain controller? This one, and this is ADC. So he has all those 5 roles. He doesn't have all those 5 roles, right? Okay. Okay, let's verify. Open command prompt. We are on additional server, okay, additional domain controller. Who is the boss? Yaoundé server is the boss. Okay. Who is the boss? Yaoundé server is the boss. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do? Shut down. Maybe just think that this is off. This is off it. So when this one is off, right? On this machine you have to use which credential? Domain administrative credential. It's not that another user. You have to log in with the IIST administrator. So I have already logged in with the IIST administrator, right? Now here you have to first work is you have to enable your schema, because by default schema is disabled, means hidden. So I have to come here and type run, type rezsvr 32 space .dll is registered. Now if you will come here, let's minimize this one. If you will come to your domain and if you check here operation master, who is operation master? If you add a snap in schema, okay, right click operation master is see, operation master is error, means is down, right? Now how you are going to seize it, right? Now so come to your command prompt, you have to type here okay, let me open another command. cd backslash, or when you open the command, right, always right click run as administrator. Okay, that will be better. Then type here ntds util. Okay, means network domain utility. ntds util, ntds util. Okay, network utility. Now type roles. What you are going to do? Roles. Now you have to type connection. Enter. Then here you have to write connect to domain iiht.com. Okay, because I want to connect to domain iiht.com, right? So you are connected to iiht.com, no error, right? Okay, then come here and type quit out from this maintenance. Okay, then connection is completed. Now you are connected. After that, what are you getting? FSMO maintenance, right? Okay, now you type cease RID, anything, it's not in sequence, anything you can, RID master, and then click enter. Same thing, do you want to transfer all these roles to this one, right? Okay, yes. Now attempting to transfer. So this lab is how to seize the FSMO role when the DC is down. See, this one is not as per graphical transformation, right? So when you transfer from graphical way, right, add, transfer, so that one is faster. This one will take time. You don't think that? Okay, it's always take time. So you can see here, okay, and when this message will come, after that what you have to do, you have to come here and you have to run netdom query fsmo to verify. See, RID master has been transferred, right? Okay, Now let's come to this command line again to FSMO maintenance, and then write cease PDC. Okay, enter. Yes. Okay, so you got this message, right? Now again you come and verify. See, PDC master has been replicated now. Now come here. Now cease naming master. Don't write domain naming master. Naming master is also already a domain naming master. Okay. Enter. Do you want to transfer this? Yes. See, now is coming here attempting to transfer of a domain naming master. Okay. Here you have to write, this is the command naming master, but it's a domain naming master. But in server 2003 it was domain naming master, but from server 2008 12 it's changed to naming master. 8 12 16 like that. See, if sometime if you will see the command is not moving, so press enter. Okay, sometime it, okay, so sometime it hangs. So now check, domain naming master is also replicated. Now how many is remaining? Infrastructure and schema. Let's come here. So schema master sees schema master, enter, yes. Just it like this. Okay, so this role has been transferred now. Let's verify. See, verifying is not important that you should verify every time. If the command is, I am just showing you because this is the lab going, right? So I am just showing you. But for you, you just follow the commands and in the end you check the result. Okay, this is also transferred. Now infrastructure is remaining. Okay, so infrastructure, come here and see, technically if you will ask, infrastructure is not important. All roles are important, but infrastructure is not important because infrastructure is local to the domain. Okay, but if you will transfer, no problem, that is okay, no problem. So right here, seize infrastructure master. Invalid syntax. Infra. Okay, click yes. And keep in mind, once you will transfer, once you will seize everything, right, then you have to restart this server. Okay, so this is the last one which we are going to seize it. And once it will, you will seize, what you have to do, you have to delete the Yaoundé DC1 from the domain controller list from here. So once you will seize it, it will be there in the list of your domain controller, right here, right? So what we have to do, we have to delete it because it's offline. So we are waiting for the seize. So now see, this one has been also transferred, right? So when it has been transferred, now come here to your see, all the roles has been transferred here. Now after that, close it and here you type quit, quit, come out from this maintenance mode. Okay, then type here exit, close this. If you want, you can better to delete it, right click and delete it because all the roles you have transferred it. Yes, delete it. close and restart this server. Okay, so after restarting, now we have to log in here. We have to log in here and we have to delete that server information from DNS as well, because that server information is there in the DNS and that server is down and I have already taken his roles. Okay, so we are here now. Let's verify everything, right? So with the command we have already verified. See, with the command is there, right? Now come here to graphical, Active Directory, domain and trust. Start from here. Right click, Operation Master. Before here what we were getting, error, but now no error. Okay, close it. Now come here, Active Directory, users and computer. Right click, Operation Master. RID, PDC, infrastructure, everything has been moved here. Schema is remaining. MMC, file, add, remove, snap in, add schema master. Click add. Okay. Now right click, Operation Master. Who is the boss? Yaoundé DC2, right? So this is all about your seizing the roles when the DC is down. Okay. Now one more thing is remaining. What I told you, you have to come to the DNS and you have to remove this information. Now 2 is the boss, right? So remove this because this is not important. And what you have to do, you have to come here to server manager, you have to go to DNS and you have to remove that server information, right? Forward lookup zone, IIST, and you have to remove the record of Yaoundé DC1. I think it's already removed. Okay, Yaoundé DC1, this one. Okay, to remove it because this is not important, right? Now this is okay. When the server was alive, you have transferred it. When the server was down, you have seized it. Okay, so this is all about how to seize the role, right? Okay, now one question will come here again. Maybe what I was using here, I was using one server, this one server and here one server, right? Okay, so this server was also GUI based, and this server was also GUI based. Are you understanding? Graphical GUI based, right? Then we have transferred it. But what happened if this one is core? If this one is core and even this one is also core. Are you understanding my question? What I am going to ask? Core. Then in that condition, how you are going to transfer? Seize is okay. Core seize command you know, right? But in core, how you are going to transfer? How you are going to transfer? Through command. Graphical you know, but now we will learn it through command. How to transfer the roles via command line tool. Okay, that will be in our next video. Let's come stop it.